everybody. We're back at the white car. We're gonna work on the clutch master cylinder and the slave cylinder. It gave me problems the last time we went to Laguna Seca with the guys, and after that we're going to do like a photo shoot over on the mountains here where I live. And unfortunately, we stay stranded on the side of the road. And the car's been down for like a while already. I've been too busy with work and other life stuff that I've been taking care of right now. And today's the day. Luckily, Tony called me and he offered me his help. So we're gonna start working on that right now. I'm gonna do the upgrade with the S2K clutch master, the adapter plate, new clutch line, and the slave cylinder. So hopefully everything comes out good. What's up, guys? We're back at it again, and Tony just got done taking everything out, the old clutch system, the entire clutch master, the clutch line, all over the firewall, the slave cylinder, and the transmission. As you guys can see, we got everything right here already. It's pretty nasty. Which one is it? Yeah, this one. This is the fitting that goes to the slave cylinder, I think, and the transmission. Look, it kind of looks like fucking mocos. Look right here. So it's very important to do your maintenance on your car regularly, and yeah, hopefully we're looking forward to get this thing done today and up and running. Hopefully I can drive it to work tonight. And yeah, I'm excited. Keep it going. Oh, right here we got the new parts. Let me show you the S2K OEM clutch master, brand new. The slave cylinder and the adapter plate for the master, and the new clutch line right here, flexible clutch line. So yeah, let's get it done. What's up, guys? We're back. An update with the clutch master and the system in general, this clutch system. So Tony just got done bleeding the system. He just got done bleeding the system. Everything is back on the car. The new parts. The pedal feels awesome. I can tell you right away and right now, even with the engine off and everything, the pedal just feels amazing, honestly. And yeah, from now on, I'm looking forward to continue adding mods to the car, upgrades, and looking forward to another track event. And yeah, thank you very much to the guys, the team, and Tony.
He was hell excited. So yeah, guys, like Don Gabi said, basically what we have done on this car so far is bleeding the clutch fluid. You guys see the new stainless steel brake lines. This is the one that he got. What is it, Goodrich? Goodrich. And the Xity slave cylinder. We ran it through here. He's trying to keep it clean and keep it tucked in. We did take out everything of the old system. Everything is right there. And like he said in the video, there was like some mucus thing coming out of one of the lines. So maybe that might have been a reason why there was issue. But this does look a lot cleaner. Like he said, where'd you get the adapter from? From who?
It's at Lux.
Oh, so
basically I got the whole kit from JHP, but the adapter plate itself is from Lux, and the clutch master is the OEM from a S2K. It's the Nissan one, and yeah, just trying to keep it as clean and functional as possible.
So yeah, S2K. What? Smash cylinder?
Clutch master.
Clutch master. And
Blocks.
the blocks adapter, just the only thing that I figured from installing it is just pushes it out a bit. And that's pretty much it. It's just like a spacer. Mm-hmm. And then the line, like I said, it goes from here all the way down over there. And as you guys can see from his smile, super pumped up. Everything's back in. The only thing that I did notice when you guys put it in the pin at the pedal, the gap was a little bit too big, so we were going to swap it over from the other one, but all I did was just bent it in a little bit and then a little forcible action to push the pin back in, and everything seems to be okay. All we need is a cotter pin, but we'll go get one very soon, and that should be everything for this car. Don Gabi does have some upgrades, which I don't think he has right there. Blocks, 4-piston front calipers. I don't know when he's going to put them on, but that should be something else to go on the car for the next track event, which we don't know which one it's going to be. But that's why we're out here. We're trying to make this happen so we can be out there pretty soon. Yeah. So, everything good?
Everything perfect.
All right. So, yeah, guys. So, we're going to conclude the video. We're here at Don Gabi's headquarters. Car is done. So, you gotta say, Don Gabi, your famous line. No, your famous line.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Later.